Once upon a time, there was a group of friends who decided to go on a wild adventure to a remote, creepy cabin in the woods. They heard stories about the place being haunted, but they were thrill seekers and wanted to experience some real horror. As they approached the cabin, they couldn't help but notice the ominous aura surrounding it. The doors creaked open on their own, inviting them inside. The friends hesitated for a moment, but their curiosity got the better of them, and they entered the cabin. Inside, they found old, tattered furniture and dusty rooms. The air felt heavy and suffocating. Suddenly, a strange book caught their attention. It was bound in human flesh and written in blood-red ink. Despite the warnings etched on the cover, they eagerly began flipping through its pages. Unbeknownst to them, reading from the book awakened an ancient evil. The room darkened, and sinister whispers filled the air. The friends felt a chilling presence creeping up their spines, but it was too late to turn back now. One of the friends, Jake, picked up the book and started reading the incantations aloud. As the words escaped his lips, the ground shook violently, and the cabin seemed to come alive. The walls bled, and the windows shattered with a deafening crash. Suddenly, a demonic force took hold of Jake. His body contorted grotesquely, bones snapping, as he let out a blood-curdling scream. He lunged at his friends, his eyes glowing with a malevolent fire. The friends scattered in terror, their hearts pounding in their chests. Amidst the chaos, the friends found themselves trapped inside the cabin. The doors and windows sealed shut, trapping them with the possessed Jake. They had to find a way to break free, but every attempt only led to more horror. With each passing moment, the evil within Jake grew stronger. His once friendly face twisted into a nightmarish mask, covered in oozing wounds. His voice changed, filled with a demonic rasp as he taunted and threatened his former friends. In a desperate bid for survival, the friends armed themselves with anything they could find: a broken chair leg, a shard of glass. They fought back, their screams mingling with the sounds of bones crunching and flesh tearing. But no matter how hard they fought, the evil seemed unstoppable. It manipulated their surroundings, turning the cabin into a labyrinth of terror. The walls closed in on them, sharp objects jutting out to impale them at every turn. The floor became a writhing mass of slimy tendrils, trying to drag them down into the darkness below. As the night wore on, the friends dwindled in number, their bodies mangled and broken. Desperation gave way to despair as they realized the evil had consumed them all. In a final act of defiance, the last survivor mustered the strength to destroy the book. Silence fell over the cabin, the screams replaced by an eerie stillness. The survivors, battered and traumatized, stumbled out into the daylight. They had escaped the clutches of the ancient evil, but they would carry the scars, both physical and emotional, for the rest of their lives.